Hi everyone! Master English conversations with ease using these 100 essential questions. This video covers everything you need to know to improve your English speaking skills.
What's your name?
I'm Mark.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do.
What color do you like best?
I love blue.
What do you enjoy doing in your spare time?
I like reading books.
Are you fluent in English?
Yes, I am.
How are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Where do you currently live?
I live in New York.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
Do you know the current time?
It's 2 o'clock.
What day is it?
It's Monday.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Germany.
What languages do you speak?
I can speak English, French, and Spanish.
What's your favorite food?
French fries are my favorite.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, Inglorious Bastard.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite animal?
A cat is my favorite.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
What's your favorite sport?
Football.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play guitar.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, Little Women.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What's your favorite season?
Spring.
Are you a morning or night person?
I'm a morning person.
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Yes, Christmas.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, lots of them.
What type of music do you like?
Pop music.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, I love to dance.
What's your favorite subject?
English literature.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite dessert?
Brownies.
Do you have any phobias?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite drink?
Strawberry juice.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you have tattoos?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite TV show?
Grey's Anatomy.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't.
Where's your favorite holiday destination?
Boston.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Are you scared of heights?
No, I'm not.
Do you enjoy roller coasters?
Yes, I love them.
What's your favorite flower?
Lavender.
Can you ski?
No, I can't.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite board game?
Chess.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, it's Marky.
What's your favorite movie genre?
Science fiction.
Do you like exercising?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite cuisine?
Mexican food.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Do you have any regrets?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite candy?
Starburst.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't.
Do you like watching sports?
Yes, I do.
What's your ideal weather?
Sunny days.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I do.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite beach activity?
Building sandcastles.
Do you believe in luck?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite museum?
The Louvre.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I do.
What's a favorite childhood memory?
School events.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I do.
What's your dream job?
To be a travel writer and explore new cultures.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
I'd love to fly.
Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, it's one of my favorite things to do.
What's a place you've always wanted to visit?
Japan.
Do you have a favorite outdoor activity?
Yes, hiking in nature.
Are you a pet person or a plant person?
Definitely a pet person.
What's your favorite way to unwind?
Reading a good book or listening to music.
Do you believe in aliens?
Not really, but I'm open to the possibility.
If you could learn any new skill instantly, what would it be?
To play the piano.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
A personalized book from a friend.
Do you enjoy volunteering?
Yes, I love helping out in the community.
What's your favorite genre of books?
Historical fiction.
Do you prefer sunrises or sunsets?
Sunsets.
What's a hobby you wish you had more time for?
Photography.
Do you like to garden?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
What's one thing you would like to improve about yourself?
I'd like to be more organized.
Do you have a favorite artist or painter?
Yes, I admire Vincent van Gogh.
Are you a fan of puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy solving them.
Do you like learning new languages?
Absolutely. It's fascinating.
What's your favorite kind of vacation? Beach, city, or mountains?
I'd pick the mountains.
Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.